If you're experiencing crashing issues with Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Sometimes high settings can strain your system and lead to crashes. Start with low settings and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that use significant system resources. This can help free up memory and processing power, reducing the likelihood of crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve crashing issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.